Are you struggling to cut squares with 4 equal lengths consistently? This is the solution to that. I was gifted this from UCEC. This is a 0.7 inch square, and you get it in 1.5 inch as well, so you get a nice bigger one, like double the size. It works on any cardstock. As you can see, I've already done some. It works on a thinner paper as well. And it even works on this foam paper, not the adhesive one, because that's not good for the blades. But you see how easy it is? I mean, you barely heard that. And it's got a nice, comfortable, wide handle. So no more sore fingers and sore wrists. You just use the heel of your hand on the table and push it down like so. It has a little window so you can see your squares inside, and it contains them, so it's not messy all over your counter. And then when you're ready to release them, you just open it and out come your squares. I can picture this in the pottery studio, not just for arts and crafts. Let's say these are foam, so they've got like a bit thicker. Imagine having these glued to a rolling pin or even open ones, and you are creating great texture in the big squares, the smaller squares, and they have other shapes. I'll leave the link in the comments below so you can grab one for yourself. A great addition to your studio.